Do you have a shovel in your back pocket? Because I'm digging that ass. Yes! Come on! Yes!
What is worse than going down on your grandma?
I don't know. What?
Hitting your head on the coffin as you come back up.
Oh my gosh.
We've already had a black Spider-Man.
Who's not on his face, man?
Oh, but I'm spam from the ends, innit?
Guys, hold it in, please. 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 Just say your name.
My name is Ahmed Gora.
To go in my bed in Ibiza, which I flew back from a few hours ago. And I've got a flight in about 3 hours. So, yeah.
Okay, well.
So anyway.